Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2020 Chevy Equinox. But actually this procedure will work on a 2018 to a 2024 also. And I'm going to use this Bosch cabin air filter. This one came from Amazon. And the only tool you'll need for this is a 7/32 socket wrench. If you don't have a 7/32 socket, you can also use a 5.5 millimeter socket. The first thing you need to do is clean out your glove compartment, because we have to remove the glove compartment to get access to the cabin air filter. Once it's cleaned out, we're going to go to the right side of the glove compartment, right here. And there's a retaining arm holding on to the glove compartment. And you can put your thumb on the back side of it and push it to the side and it'll pop off. If you can't get it with your thumb or your fingers, you can use a flat-bladed screwdriver to get that off. Then to take the glove box all the way off, you're going to take your hand and go up here on this edge. There's a small post behind this area that attaches to the car. There's one on the upper left, and there's one on the upper right. And there's the little post I'm talking about back there. It sticks out far enough to hold on to the glove box housing on either side. And to get those to pop out from the car, you just push in on this area. Push in towards the inside of the glove box. You can do that one side at a time, or you can use both hands at the same time. I'm going to pop this one on the right off. You just pull it to the left and go to this other side. Up here, pull it to the right until it comes off. And once you get both sides pushed in, then the glove box releases and you can set it down on the floorboard. With the glove box out of the way, that lets us get to the filter access door. Normally, straight from the factory, the filter access door has two screws in it, one on the right and one on the left. But on this vehicle, someone has already taken both screws off and left them off, which you can do. The filter access door will stay shut without those screws. But if your vehicle still has those there, use your 5.5 millimeter socket to remove that, and a 7/32 inch socket will also work. And then you're going to go to each side of the access door, put your finger behind this little tab and pull it out. You may have to do that to both sides, or they may just pop up like it did when I just did the one on the right. And lift that up. And there's the old cabin air filter. And notice which way these arrows are pointing on the old filter. They're pointing down. That shows you the direction of airflow through this filter. So you want to install the new filter with the arrows also pointing down in the same direction. So we're going to remove the old one. You can kind of get your finger in here in the side and pull it out. And you can see this one's a little dirty. Not super bad, but it does need to be changed. This one probably has about 20,000 miles on it. So I'm going to get rid of this one, grab the new one, and I've got the arrows pointing down like the old one had. Same orientation. So we'll take the new filter, kind of lift up on that panel door, and I'm going to slide the left end in first, get it going, and push it all the way back into the compartment. And once it's all the way in, push the door down. It'll click into place. It'll latch onto the side. And you can replace those screws if you want to, or you can just leave them off to make it easier next time. The filter's installed, so now we're just going to put the glove box back on. To do that, this is the bottom of the glove box lid. And these notches on both sides will have to line up with these posts on both sides. So we're going to lift this up and line up those notches and posts. And we've done that. So now we're going to push that forward so they lock on. And then we're going to push up on the glove box until it snaps into place. And that snapped into place. I'm going to open it and lower it down so we can replace the damper on this side. We're going to pull that forward, line it up with the edge there, and simply push it back on. And there you have it. The job's done. You replace the cabin air filter. It was easy, fast, and cheaper than having somebody else do it for you.